Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's kind of another Hobby Lobby haul. Everything I got today was not on clearance, but I picked up some really amazing stuff, and you want to watch this video all the way to the end, trust me, because in addition to showing you what I picked up at Hobby Lobby today, I realized today that I am almost at 2,500 subscribers to my channel, and I thought about doing another giveaway, and then I got to thinking about it. You know, I really do want to show all of you how much I appreciate each and every single one of you. So here's the thing. Somewhere here in the video, and it's this code I'm going to have in here. It's not just for one person. Every single person can use this code. It is only good though until tomorrow night. But it is a code that is good for 50% off of all digitals that are at $3.95 and above in my Etsy store. So any of the digitals that's $3.95 or higher, it's 50% off. The code is somewhere in here. I will just have to string you along until you can find. But like I said, it's good today, which is February the 10th, and it's good tomorrow, which is February the 11th. And that's my way of saying thank you. I wish I could have included all of the digitals at the 50% off, but when I done it and then done the by the time they take out the listing fee and the transaction fee and all that, I would actually owe Etsy money on the little anything that was below like $3.95. So unfortunately, that's why I had to only include the items that was $3.95 or higher. So be watching, stay tuned. So let me just go ahead and get right in and show you some of the stuff that I did pick up tonight. First of all, I picked up another little pack of these brads because I do have a project video coming up where I will be using these little brads, and the Paper Studio stuff was 50% off. So I got those. Then I got this planner, and it's a 21-22 planner. It was $5.99. But look at the images and stuff in this planner. And so I may actually use the planner for right now because it's still got, you know, quite a few months left in it. But when I am done with it, look at this. And these pages here that these images are on are a really, really premium cardstock. But look at this. So I figured this would be super fun to actually use. Like I said, I will use it as, probably use it as a planner for right now. I don't know. I have another planner that I'm using. Oh, but look, I didn't even see the pocket back here. Wow. And you know, this would be so cute. Oh, it's got stickers too, guys. See, I didn't even notice all this stuff. Yeah, so I may actually use it for now, and then when when I'm done using it, I will use all of this paper in my journals because, you know, even like these squares here, if I haven't written on them, I can use those to mat like a floral image down to. I can fussy cut all of this stuff out. There's so much I can do with this little planner, and they had several different designs, and they were $5.99. So I picked this up. And then the other thing I went ahead and picked up is I have the hardest time keeping up with my needles when it's time for me to sew the signatures in. And so I just picked up these little needle tubes. These were over in the like the knitting area. and it was 3 of them, and they were $3.99. I mean, you know, and I just love the little tubes no matter what. And then I did need an 1.5 inch, and then the smaller punch. And especially with one of the projects that I've got coming up, I really needed the different sizes like that. Let me show you these real quick. I also picked these little things up. Let me see if I can get these open. And I figured these will be really good. And the one thing I don't have room on my desk to show you is I picked up a huge, massive, like 3-drawer case type thing. And I'll try to post some pictures of it. And it was a little more expensive than what I really wanted to pay for it. But when I got to looking at everything about it, I was like, you know what? Just bite the bullet and get it and be done with it. And so these will actually fit right in there. But they have the little tiny spots on each side. And so this will be really good for like my brads here. I can put them in here. You know, just some of the little things that I will need. Like this weekend, tomorrow, I am actually heading back down to Okeechobee for my granddaughter's birthday. She's getting her horse. And so I am going to have my little kit all packed up to take with me, because that's the other thing is my grandbabies have learned that when Mama's around, we're going to paint, we're going to do some sort of craft. So I need to have all of that ready. And then I had not seen this before. I actually picked this up in the sewing section, and it says it's a slimline magnetic box. I know that sounds awful, and I'm so sorry, but it was driving me crazy. So let me take that off. And so it says that the base plate of this is magnetic, and so it will keep everything in place. So check that out. So that would even be good for like the paper clips, or you can put needles in there if you needed to, anything like that. And again, that will go in that big case that I have. And then let me see what else. These were on sale. These were 50% off. I only had 1 pack of the white glassine bags, and they were open, but it didn't look like any was missing out of them. And so I got 1 pack of the white glassine bags and 2 packs of the brown. And so these were $1.25 a pack. And you know, these are so fun to use in your journals. And then I seen these, and to be honest, I don't know if these are going to be anything I can use in a journal. Oh, yes, they are. Guys. Okay. So these are like a Ziploc pocket. I'm not even going to tell you. We're going to do a video on it. What's tomorrow? Friday. I already know what tomorrow's video is going to be. This may be Saturday's video. Yep. Okay. So, anyway, yes. I'm glad I got those. I may have to get more of those. I had not thought about what I could do with them until just now. And amazing. Okay. Then I did grab another pack of the envelopes. These were 87 cents. And then these are, what are these? These are the cards. And these were 99 cents. And they have the inside, and you know, both sides of them are purple. So, and they're really good cardstock. So I grabbed those because they were 99 cents. Were, you know, great deal. So there's those. And then these are the envelopes like I had got. I got some similar to this last week, but they were a different color. And I wanted to get some more because they feel, they don't feel like the regular paper. They almost feel like a washi paper. And I love them. And it's okay that they're that crazy bright green because, you know, we can grunge them up. Not a problem. Those will look really cute. And then while I was there, I went ahead and picked up this set of Bow Bunny texture stamp. And I picked up the newsprint stamp. And then I also picked up this pack of, I don't know, it's stamps. Botanicals. Oops, sorry about that. Okay. And then I got two sets of these, actually. These were actually like really cheap, $2.49. And it's 5 of them per set. Okay, and so these are like the little miniature, you know, the little totes that we had that have the, where they clip up on them. Let me just get them started coming out, because that's the other, I hate it when they do that. Hang on. There we go. So these are just for $2.49 for 5 of them. I love these. So I got 2 sets of these. So I have a total of 10, which is great because you guys know that I'm in the process of moving temporarily. So there's 2 sets of those. There's the other set. And then I also picked up this. It is a stack and carry. And this was, I think it was like $9.99. And this will be great for this weekend because you unstack. And so what I will probably end up doing is I will take like these paper bits here and I will put them in here. And so I don't have to worry about them spilling everywhere. So there's that. And then I just stack it right back on top and then close it up. And so I can also, with the way that it has in this top, I can even put some of those little tiny bits and pieces of scraps that I need. So this was a great deal for $9.99. Yeah, I was very happy to pick this up. So that's wonderful. And what else? Oh, then there's this. And so when I was looking in where our clearance, like our paper craft clearance is, it is right next to the miniature section. And I seen this. And it says that it is Shabby Chic Wallpaper Assortment, 21 piece. It's the 1/12 scale. And I got to thinking, oh my goodness. So look at this. And each sheet is 12 inches by 18 inches. And so they're not, they really do feel kind of like a wallpaper. And it was $14.99 for all of this. Look at that. How cute is this? Oh my goodness, guys. I had never even thought about using something. Oh, that looks like vintage lace. I had never even thought about anything like this before. But how perfect is that? You know, I pay a lot whenever I buy like the Tim Holtz. And nothing, I'm not saying anything against Tim Holtz because God knows I love those products. But you know, I do pay a lot of money like to buy the wallpaper packs and stuff like that. And this was $14.99 and look at all you get. That was just crazy. And here, let me show you that's the cover of it. And if I can find links to this stuff on like the Hobby Lobby website, I'll link it below. Now the next thing is amazing. So how many of you have watched Gail Agostinelli's channel? and seen her little folder thing that she has. It's got all of the little plastic pockets in it. And she said that she got it from Hobby Lobby, or somebody had got it from Hobby Lobby. Well, I'm going to be honest with you and tell you that I have looked and looked and looked and looked and looked for that. And I couldn't find it until tonight. Because this is not in the paper craft. It's not in the normal section. It is actually called a needlepoint binder. And so it is over where the crochet and stuff is. And it was $14.99. And look, I've already got stuff in this one. I bought 2 tonight. So I've already got stuff in this one just so you can kind of see. So it has the, on this page, it's got like 9 smaller pockets. And then it has the 9 smaller pockets on this page as well. And then this page, it's 2 larger pockets. Then you have a pocket back here and a pocket back here. So I picked up 2 of them. And let me see if I can get this where you guys can see. Well, and I will try to find this and link it for you. Because I know that I personally have seen Miss Gail using hers, and I'm like, oh, I so want that. So again, it's got the 9 little pockets here. So it's got 3 pages on the inside, or 3 sheets, I guess you could say, on the inside. And so, and then you have the spot there that you can put quite a bit in it. So yeah, I will link this. And go over, get you one. And don't forget, guys, go to the Etsy store, get your purchase, because it's only good for today and tomorrow. And thank you all so much, guys. Y'all are the best. Bye, guys.